Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to take portrait photos on Samsung Galaxy A17. In the beginning, we have to enter Camera app. In order to do it, tap camera icon on the home screen. Now, enter Portrait and follow the informations at the top of the screen for best effect. Make sure that the camera is stabilized and tap white dot at the bottom of the screen. In portrait mode, you can also change timer, aspect ratio, exposure, skin smoothness. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.